Good morning. This is the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Tuesday, October 15th, 2024. Mid-level water vapor imagery beginning late yesterday afternoon through this morning shows an active jet stream across the North Pacific with a strong trough in the Gulf of Alaska and a frontal system approaching the Pacific Northwest coast. Weak high pressure is still generally in control across Northern California. True color visible satellite imagery with surface observations overlaid show that low clouds have pushed fairly far inland across Del Norte and northern Humboldt counties, with spottier marine layer low clouds and fog in the other valleys west of the Sacramento Valley. The fire and smoke map indicates air quality has been reduced into the unhealthy for sensitive groups to unhealthy range in some areas along and east of Interstate 5 from the Lake Shasta area south to East Redding due to smoke from the Shoe Fire near Lake Shasta. Moderate air quality has been reported this morning south to Willows, Orland, Chester, and northern portions of Chico. Fire weather watches are in effect for Thursday into Saturday evening from the Sacramento Valley southwestward into and near the Bay Area, while a freeze watch is in effect from late Thursday night into Friday morning northeast of the Sierras. The 6E GEFS 20,000 foot level forecast shows the high pressure ridging across Northern California this morning and the front side of the low pressure trough moving into the Pacific Northwest today. Tonight through Wednesday, the trough will move through, followed by a stronger and colder trough diving in from the northwest Thursday. Strong northerly flow is expected across Northern California Thursday night into Friday morning, as a fairly strong high-pressure system builds in behind the trough as it digs into the Great Basin. The high will gradually weaken this weekend as westerly flow develops and another trough approaches the coast next Tuesday. The GACC Wharf wind and RH forecast shows moderate to poor RH recoveries across the northern Sacramento Valley foothills, and surrounding higher terrain this morning, lowest east of the Sierras. Westerly winds increase northeast and west of the Sacramento Valley this afternoon, continuing into this evening with breezy gusts. Meanwhile, low RHs remain northeast of the Sierras. Breezy to windy westerly winds then continue this evening across most of the ridges and to the lee of the higher terrain, especially through gaps and passes as RHs increase. Poor to moderate RHs will still be present across the western Sacramento Valley Wednesday morning. Breezy to locally windy westerly flow is then generally expected Wednesday, with somewhat low RHs in the Sacramento Valley. Wednesday night into early Thursday, enhanced northwest flow will become more localized before a larger area of low RHs and breezy to windy conditions develop during the day Thursday, centered across the Sacramento Valley. The 6E GFS precipitation rate and 10-meter wind speed forecast shows increasing westerly flow this afternoon, with some rain possible in the Siskiyous this evening. Rain is likely tonight through Wednesday across the far north and from the Cascades and Sierra foothills area northeastward, while northwest winds increase Wednesday afternoon across western areas. After a break Wednesday night, rain and snow showers are likely Thursday across far northern, northeast, and eastern areas, mainly north and east of the Sacramento Valley, as northerly winds increase. Thursday night into Friday, enhanced northerly flow continues, weakening Friday afternoon. Friday night into Saturday morning, northeast winds are likely to be breezy to locally windy, mainly through the gaps and passes of the Cascades and Sierras spilling into the Sacramento Valley. These winds weaken rapidly during the day Saturday, followed by rain with another frontal boundary across northwest areas Sunday, and likely again Tuesday. The 6-day precipitation forecast from the CNRFC through 5 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time next Monday morning shows wetting precipitation of 1/10 of an inch or more, likely mainly north and east of Redding and across the eastern Sacramento Valley foothills. Tree canopy penetrating 1/4 inch or greater values are likely mainly across the Siskiyous, Cascades, and Sierras northeastward, with localized amounts around 1/2 an inch. The NorthOps 7-day significant fire potential outlook shows moderate risk for the Diablo Santa Cruz Mountains PSA today and a high risk for significant fire due to wind with low RH Thursday through Saturday from the Sacramento Valley foothills PSA southwestward. SouthOps is forecasting low risk or less until Friday, when there is a high risk due to wind with low RHs for the Central Coast and Central Coast interior. In summary, a trough moving in today will replace high pressure and cause westerly winds to increase. Rain is expected across northern and eastern areas tonight through Wednesday, followed by a colder trough with wetting rain and mountain snow across a similar area Thursday. Westerly and northerly winds increase across areas that are not going to see the rain Thursday through Saturday, leading to some areas of high risk for wind from the Sacramento Valley southwestward. Additional frontal systems may bring more precipitation to northwest portions of the area Sunday and Tuesday. This concludes today's Fire Weather Webcast.